Hi, I'm Cami from Crudo Outdoors. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to assemble the kayak seat. As you can see, the seat at the back side, there are 4 brass clips. The lower clip is attached to the back D-ring, and the front upper side clip is attached to the front D-ring. Make sure the lower clip is attached to the back side, and the bottom strap is adjusted to the shortest length so that the bottom is firmly attached to the kayak, and the upper side clip is attached to front D-ring and adjust angle by acting like this. Now you have the seat half done.